To replace the window motor, you must first remove the door panel. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with door panel removal. With the door panel removed, you can see the window motor. If you have a modern version of the motor, there will be a clip on the motor that secures the wiring harness. Remove the harness from the clip, red arrow. If your replacement motor does not have this clip, transfer it over. Pull out the red tabs, blue arrows, on the wiring harness going into the window motor with a curved pick, and then pull the electrical connections out from the motor. Remove the 3 T27 torque screws holding the motor in the window regulator, red arrows. Pull the motor out from the geared ring in the regulator. The red arrow indicates the geared ring that will sit in the regulator. Installation is the reverse of removal. Do not let the tab that holds the regulator to the door carrier slip through the carrier, red arrows, or you will need to remove the door carrier to reinsert it. Installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure the geared ring sits in the regulator teeth. Torque the 3 screws to 3 Newton meters or 2 foot-pounds. The end positions of the power windows are detected from the control unit when the electrical connectors are disconnected and connected. Operate the rocker switch and fully close the window once. The upper end position of the side window is then stored. Operate the rocker switch and fully open the window once. The lower end position of the window is now stored. If a new power window motor has been installed, the door control unit, then this must be programmed and coded. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.